Hi everyone, for today's video I'm going to show you how to clear up your pool water. So as you can see right now, the pool water is a little hazy or a little cloudy. You can still see the bottom of the pool, which is good. So when you have a hazy water, the most common problem you'll have is number one will be an algae growth, number two will be a high pH, and number three will be your filter is not cleaning enough. For this pool, I know that the problem here is high pH because I actually let the pH go up because I needed to lower the alkalinity level for this pool. I just set this pool up last Sunday, and basically right now the only thing I've done with this pool is put a chlorine on this pool and make sure that it's maintained so that I don't get an algae growth. And my city water have high alkalinity, so I'm gonna show you how to lower that pH and make this pool sparkling clean. So let's go ahead and do that. So if you look at my chart right now, I actually test my water today with this HTH 6-way test kit, and also confirmed my pH with my pH meter. You can see my chart right now. My chlorine is a little high because last night I threw in some shock in it, so this is what I use. This is the HTH shock, and that's just to make sure that I don't have an algae growth. So because basically if you have an algae growth, you're gonna have a zero free chlorine, and when you throw in a shock the next day it's gonna be gone. So and if you look here, I have a pH of 8.1. My alkalinity is 220, so I need to bring that down to about 80 ppm. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna bring the pH level to 7.2 because I would like my target is actually to bring the alkalinity level to around 80, and to do that I'm gonna go and click over here on my pH. I'm gonna put in my pH level right now, which is 8.1. My target will be 7.2. My total alkalinity is 220. When my pH level goes up again, all I have to do is do the same process again, and hopefully after the second or the third time my alkalinity level will be at the 80 range. So right now it says if I have a 29% muriatic acid, I need to put in about 13 ounces or 1 cup and 5 ounces, and my muriatic acid is actually 31%, but from my experience if I just follow this, I basically get about the same ballpark of my target. So let me go ahead and show you how to do that. So what I did is I filled up my bucket. This is a 5-gallon bucket. I filled it up with about half from the pool water, and I'm gonna put in about a little over 12 ounces of my muriatic acid. Make sure you wear gloves when you do this because you don't want to burn your skin. Okay, so let me just go ahead and clean it up, and let's go back to the pool. And normally what you want to do is pour the water with acid around the pool, but since I have a small pool, I'm just gonna go ahead and spread it right here, and then I'll mix it up using my bucket as well. And then I'll give it a couple of hours to give the water time to circulate through the filter, and after that you're gonna start seeing the water clear up. Okay, so this is now the next day. You can see it's a lot easier to see under now. Actually you can see that there's a lot of dust under the pool, and I need to vacuum the floor. You can also notice that the top of the pool is now reflecting the sun, and it looks nice. It's like a crystal. So if you look here right now, you can see that the pH is now matched to 7.2, and my chlorine level is at 1. So this is a very good thing now. The water is where I want it to be. So my alkalinity is still a little higher. It's at 190 right now. So what that means is that this water's pH is gonna tend to drift higher a lot faster, which is okay because I wanted that to do, and I'm just gonna let it do it naturally. And then after that, I'll just lower it down again to lower my alkalinity level to where I want it to be. Once you reach the correct alkalinity level, your pH should be stable. That means that you can just check your pool chemistry once a week and you should be fine. So again, I hope that this video helped you. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel. Thank you for watching.